Hey guys, I ordered your sugar thermal nail gel on Shopee and I will show you how to use it. So first, apply a thin layer of your sugar base gel coat and then cure under UV or LED lamp. So what is thermal gel polish? Thermal gel polish is a type of gel polish that changes colors according to the temperature of the nail and the surrounding environment. Next is apply the first layer of your sugar thermal nail gel and then cure under UV or LED lamp. Your Sugar is one of the biggest online shop on Shopee for nails, and they have a sale right now and I have a 15% discount code for you. Just type URSU4FS5 when you order at yoursugar.ph on Shopee. So what are you waiting for? Mag-add to cart na at yoursugar.ph on Shopee. And the next is apply the second layer of your sugar thermal nail gel and then cure under UV or LED lamp again. So I'm gonna leave the link on the comment section down below so you know where I got these products. Next is apply your sugar top coat and then cure. So this is what it looks like under a warm temperature, and now I have an ice cold water here and then we'll see how it works. So as you see, it changes the colors right away from silver to pink color.